Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on the PUBG Mobile Lite game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the PUBG Mobile Lite game on your device. And when you open it up, if you're opening the game for the first time, it will take a few moments in order to fully load and install the game resource files. Once the loading has completed, you will be taken into the game menu and you will be asked to log into your account as well. Now before logging in, make sure to check the both boxes which says that you have agreed to the privacy policy and the user agreement. Now you have two options of logging in. You can either use your Google Play Games account or your Facebook account. You can tap on more and you will also see more login methods. Tap on whichever option you choose and you will be asked to proceed with your credentials. Just type in your credentials if you chose your Play Games account, and if you chose Facebook, you can proceed with allowing access to your account. Just tap on the Continue As button in order to allow access, and once you allow access, you will be logged into your previously saved account on PUBG Lite right away. And if you didn't have a previous account, you will be able to set up your new profile right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on the PUBG Mobile Lite game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.